Hello, this is the Unit 1 Day 3 warm-up. This one is just writing equations. Hopefully these ones go pretty quick for you. When you're writing an equation of a line, that's what we're going to be working with, you're going to use slope-intercept form where you have y equals mx plus b. So the first thing you're going to find, step 1, is the slope. That's your m value. Your slope is your rise over your run. So you're always going to go up or down first when you are calculating your slope, and that will be your top value. Then you're going to count how far to the right you are going, which is your run or the bottom value of your fraction of your slope. If you are going down as you walk left to right, so this person's walking down, that's going to be a negative slope. If you are going up as you go left to right, that is a positive slope. So you want to make sure you can identify the difference between those. The next part of your equation is going to be your y-intercept or your b value. Your b value is going to be the y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis. So here your b would be equal to 4 in this example. Then once you know your slope and your y-intercept, you write your equation in y equals mx plus b form. All right, looking at example 1, all of our equations are going to start with y equals. Then I need to find my slope. So I'm going to find 2 points going through the corner on our coordinate grid, and then I can calculate the slope. This one is going down left to right, so that means it's going to be a negative slope. In this one, we end up going down 3 spaces, so our top value would be 3, and then we go to the right 2, bottom value 2. When you write your equation, don't forget to include x right after the slope. Once you have that, then you can find your y-intercept, and in this case, it crosses the y-axis at positive 4, making our equation y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 4. All right, then if we go down to question number 2, this person, if we put a person over here, is going to be walking up the graph, so that means we have a positive slope. Starting off to calculate our slope, we have 2 points, and it doesn't matter what 2 points you have. You can choose any 2 to calculate your slope. I'm going to use these ones in the bottom left. For this slope, we are going up 3 spaces and over 1. You can leave your slope as 3x. If you put 3 over 1, that is okay as well, but the 1 is not necessary. Then we can find our y-intercept, or where it's crossing the y-axis. In this one, it's crossing at positive 2, so we would put plus 2. And that is our final equation, y equals 3x plus 2. Okay. Now looking at our third graph, this one also has a positive slope. It is going up. Starting our equation with y equals, goes up 1, right 2, 1 over 2, x goes with the slope. Then we find our y-intercept, and in this case, it is also positive 2. Then our last one, we have y equals. Find 2 points on there to calculate your slope. This one is also going up, making it a positive, going up 3 over 1. So again, you can write it as 3x or 3 over 1. Both are counted correct, but you don't need the over 1. Then our y-intercept, or where it crosses, oh my goodness, sorry, it is very glitchy today. Our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, is at positive 4, so plus 4, and that gives you your equation. If you are struggling with these, make sure you are reaching out so that you can get help, because knowing how to write equations is going to be very important for the piecewise graphs.